Hello guys, how are you? Hope you are all doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to always share the HD resolution images, videos by default on your WhatsApp. Okay, so for example, when you are trying to send any images in the HD quality, at that time guys, it will ask you to select the HD quality every time. As you can see guys, I have selected one video from my phone gallery, so this is not selecting HD by default. I want to select it manually every time from here guys. If you want to set the HD quality, HD resolution for your images and videos on your WhatsApp by default, so at that time guys, you need to enable the option from the settings. Okay, open the WhatsApp, tap on three dots on the home screen in the top right side corner of your screen, just like this, and then open the settings. In the settings guys, find out storage and data option like this, and here you can get the option media upload quality. Just open it, and from here you need to select HD quality. Okay, and then tap on save option. That's it. Now go back. Now once again I will try to send the video. So as you can see guys, now by default the HD quality was selected, as you can see guys in my screen. Okay, so now every time you don't need to select the HD quality, by default it will automatically selected. So in case this option is not showing on your phone, at that time guys, what you need to do, you need to update the WhatsApp from the Google Play Store. Open the Google Play Store and search the WhatsApp, and if the app update is available, just simply update it. Okay, and then you can also get that option. So this is the very nice and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.